Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, subphylum Craniata, infraphylum Vertebrata, class superclass Scathostomata, class Amphibia, order Onora. Here you have your tricep femoris, which is this outer muscle here. This triangle here is your abductor magnus. You have your sartorius, which is this muscle here where the strides are. You have your gastrus major, which is gracilis major, which is this muscle here. It's the inside lining of the thigh. You have your gastrocnemius, which is your calf muscle. You have your deltoid, which is this muscle here. You have your latimus dorsi, which is on the back of the frog, which is here.
I don't like when people take my things.
You have your tricep branchiae, which is the innermost muscle of the frog. Here. This muscle here.
Your cat? Yeah. You have a cat? Yeah.
You have your pectoris major, which are the pecs of the frog.
Helios. Why Helios?
You have your rectus abdominis.
Interesting.
And then you have your external oblique.
Next week.
Going inside of the frog, you have your cloaca. You have your
It's the 17th. It's not till the 8th.
you have your small intestine here.
Alright.
You have your lungs here. This is your liver. Under your liver, you have your more small intestine, which leads to the big intestine, which is this one right here. This one right here. Behind it, you have your spleen. And then also behind all of this, you have your testes, because this is a male. Your testes is here, and you have your kidneys in behind. Your lungs, which is this. This is your heart, actually. This is your lung.
The lung is under it. You have to lift up the liver, and then it's that black, darker color.
This is your lung. You have your tongue. You have your pharynx, which is the esophagus. Lift it. And then inside, you have your larynx, which is this.
You can't really see the larynx in this one.
Your larynx should be here. I don't think that's not a good.